Good morning, everybody. Today we will start new chapter, student T distribution. The introduction of the T distribution. The entire entire large sample theory was based on the application of normal test. If the sample size is small, means n less than 30, the distribution of various statistics, that is z is equal to x bar minus mu divided by sigma by root n, and z is equal to x bar minus np. Mu is nothing but mean np divided by square root of npq, etc., are the form of the normality, and such normal test cannot be applied if n is small. In such cases, exact sample tests developed by W.S. Gosset in 1908, who wrote under the standard name student T distribution, and later on by Professor R. A. Fisher in 1926. In the following section, we shall discuss the tests are given below. 1. T test, F test, Fisher's Z transformation. Now, definition of T or T test: a random variable xi, I is equal to 1 to n, if size n from a normal population with mean mu and variance sigma square, then student T distribution is defined by the statistics, that is T is equal to x bar minus mu by s by square root of n, that is equation number 1, where x bar is equal to, already you know, summation xi divided by n, I is equal to 1 to n, and also sample variance, that is s square is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to n into bracket xi minus x bar whole square. You know, standard deviation square root sigma is equal to square root of 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square, and unbiased estimate of the population variance sigma square, and it is follows T distribution with phi or n minus 1 degrees of freedom with probability density function is given by, that is f of t is equal to 1 upon square root of v into beta of 1 by 2 v by 2 into 1 upon 1 plus t square upon v, that bracket raised to v plus 1 divided by 2, that is equation number 2, that is t lies between minus into infinity and v greater than 0. Now let us take v is equal to 1 in equation number 2, that is f of t is equal to 1 by root v, v is nothing but 1, that is 1 by beta into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 upon 1 plus t square raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 2 is means 2 by 2 is 1 dt, that is t lies between minus infinity to infinity, that is equal to, using the beta of 1 by 2 1 by 2 transpose to gamma, 1 upon gamma by 1 by 2 gamma by 1 by 2 divided by gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 upon 1 plus t square dt, that is equal to gamma of 1 divided by gamma of 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2 into 1 upon 1 plus t square dt, that is equal to 1 by 5 into, that is 1 of gamma of 1 by gamma of 1 divided by gamma of 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 5, that equal to into 1 upon 1 plus t square into dt. You know that in gamma of 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by gamma of 1 is nothing but square root of 5, that square is called standard Cauchy distribution. Now derivation of T distribution. Let us consider T is equal to x bar minus mu upon s by square root of n, and square equation squaring on both sides, t square is equal to x bar minus mu whole squared by s square upon n, dividing by b by s by dividing by both sides n minus 1, that is t square upon n minus 1, that equal to x bar minus mu whole squared by sigma square root by n into sigma square upon s square into n minus 1, that equal to x bar minus mu upon sigma bar root n, that bracket square, divided by n minus 1 sigma square root by sigma square, that equal to RHS side standard normal variate divided by chi-square variate with n minus 1 degrees of freedom, as x bar minus mu upon sigma by root n follows normal with mean 0 variance 1. For the x bar and s square are independently distributed with t square upon n minus 1 being the ratio of two independent chi-square variate with 1 degrees of freedom and n minus 1 degrees of freedom respectively, is a beta 2 variate with parameters 1 by 2 n minus 1 upon 2, and its distribution function is given by, and df of t is equal to 1 by beta of 1 by 2 v by 2 into t square upon v raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, this divided by 1 plus t square upon v, that bracket raised to v plus 1 dot by 2 df of t square upon v. Since a random variable df of t is said to be have a beta 2 distribution of second kind with parameter u phi, u greater than 0 and phi greater than 0, and f of x is equal to beta 2 of u phi into x raised to u minus 1 divided by 1 plus x, that bracket raised to u plus v, u comma phi greater than 0. Now put n minus 1 is equal to phi and x is equal to t square upon phi. Therefore, df of t is equal to 1 upon square root of v into 1 upon beta into 1 by 2 v by 2 into 1 upon 1 plus t square upon phi, that raised to v plus 1 divided by 2. It follows PDF of student t distribution with phi minus 1 degrees of freedom. Note, the factor to disappearing minus infinity to infinity is unity or 1. This is required PDF of t distribution with respect to phi. Their phi degrees of freedom, dp of t is equal to 1 upon square root of phi into beta of 1 by 2 phi by 2 into 1 upon 1 plus t square upon v, that bracket set to v plus 1 by 2. It follows t distribution with phi degrees of freedom. Thank you.